Hello friends, welcome to mahendraguru.com, the Brahmas for Success. Friends, Mahendra Guru is here with a special content of history section, and I'm sure this video session will definitely helps you to maximize your marks for the upcoming SSC examination. And for the other subject videos, subscribe our YouTube channel Mahendra Guru on youtube.com. So friend, let's start our session on important fact of Indian National Congress. Indian National Congress established in 1885 and Allen Octavian Hume, a retired civil servant in the British government, took the initiative to form an all India organization. Friends, if the examiner asks who was the founder of Indian National Congress, then our answer is A.O. Hume. Next point is the Indian National Congress was founded in 1885 and its first session was held at the hall of the Gokul Das Tejpal Sanskrit College, Bombay in 1885. Friends, if the examiner asks where was the first session of Indian National Congress was held, then our answer is Bombay. Now, let's move for the next fact. And friends, here is the pic of A.O. Hume. Now let's move. Next fact is W.C. Banerjee. Full name is Vomesh Chandra Banerjee, an eminent Bengali lawyer, was elected its first president. Friends, if the examiner asks who was the first president of INC, mean Indian National Congress, then our answer is Vomesh Chandra Banerjee. And the first session was attended by 72 delegates from all over India. Now let's move. Next fact is who was the president in second session of INC at Calcutta in December 1886. Who was the second session president of INC? Then our answer is Dadabhai Naoroji. Dadabhai Naoroji is also known as the Grand Old Man of India, and he was the first person who estimated India's national income. Friends, now let's move for the next fact. And next fact is who was the president in the third session of INC at Madras in December 1887. Third president of INC in December 1887 was Badruddin Tayyabji. Badruddin Tayyabji. An important fact about Badruddin Tayyabji is that Badruddin Tayyabji is also known as the first Muslim president of Indian National Congress. Now, let's move for the next fact. And next fact is who was the first Englishman to become president of INC? First Englishman to become president of INC was George Yule. In the session of Allahabad 1888, George Yule became the president of INC. Now, let's move for the next fact. And the next fact is about a woman. Who was the first woman president of INC? First woman president of INC, then our answer is Mrs. Annie Besant. And when examiner asks who was the first Indian president of INC, let's see the next fact. Who was the first Indian woman of INC? Then our answer is Mrs. Sarojini Naidu. Mrs. Sarojini Naidu is also known as the Nightingale of India, and she was the first woman governor of an Indian state. So if the examiner asks who was the first woman or who was the first Indian woman, then you remember who was the first woman president of Indian National Congress and who was the first Indian woman of Indian National Congress. Now let's move for the next fact. And next fact is who was the youngest president of INC? And this fact is a very interesting fact. This is who is the youngest president of INC? Then our answer is Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad in 1923, at the age of 35, he was elected as the Congress president. Friends, now let's move for the next fact. And next fact is national song Vande Mataram was first sung in the session of Vande Matram was first sung in the session of? Then answer is Calcutta session 1896. And our national song Vande Matram is taken from the 1882 novel Anand Math, which was written by Banking Chand Chatterjee. So this is also a very important fact about INC and very important fact about Indian national song. Now let's move for the next fact. Next fact is, who was first sung the Vande Matram in INC meeting? Indian National Congress meeting, who was first sung the Vande Matram? Then our answer is Ravindranath Tagore. Ravindranath Tagore was the first Indian who received the Nobel Prize for the literature. So this is a very important fact about Ravindranath Tagore. Now let's move for the next and important fact. Next fact is, in which session of INC national anthem Jan Gan Man was first sung? Jan Gan Man is our national anthem, was first sung in the session of Calcutta 1911. Session of Calcutta 1911. And the important fact is, Jan Gan Man was first sung in the Indian Association building, which was in this pic, and locally known as the Bharat Sabha in Kolkata. So friends, thank you for watching this video, and I am sure these facts will definitely help you to maximize your marks and as well as makes your success very close for the upcoming SSC examination, because your success is our success. Thank you.